What are the distinctions between the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy A55 smartphones? Samsung offers a variety of options for smartphone enthusiasts. The Galaxy S24 boasts top-tier performance, camera quality, and artificial intelligence features, albeit at a premium price. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A55 targets the mid-range market with similar design cues and Exynos processors, but at a more affordable cost. Despite their outward similarities, a closer look reveals distinctions in features and performance, with the Galaxy A55 sometimes even surpassing its higher-end counterpart. The Samsung Galaxy S24 features a smaller 6.2-inch display compared to the Galaxy A55's larger 6.6-inch screen, both with the same resolution and refresh rate. The S24's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel allows for variable refresh rates down to 1 Hz, while the A55 toggles between 60 Hz and 120 Hz with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. The S24 uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for stronger protection, while the A55 employs Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Both have different fingerprint sensor placements, with the S24 having an under-display sensor and a stronger frame. Both feature punch holes, selfie cameras, and vertical rear camera setups. The S24 offers more color options compared to the A55's limited choices. The Galaxy S24 features either Samsung's Exynos 2400 or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 8 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage with no microSD support. It offers strong performance and artificial intelligence acceleration. The Galaxy A55 is equipped with the Exynos 1480 chip, 8 or 12 GB of RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of storage. While it's suitable for daily tasks, it may require graphics settings adjustments for modern games and lacks Galaxy artificial intelligence. The S24 has a 4000 mAh battery with 25-watt wired and wireless charging, while the A55 boasts a larger 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt wired charging. The Galaxy S24 retains its 50-megapixel main camera with f/1.8 aperture OIS and dual-pixel PDAF, alongside a 12-megapixel ultrawide and a 10-megapixel telephoto for 3x optical zoom. The Galaxy A55 also features a 50-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultrawide, but adds a 5-megapixel macro lens and lacks advanced artificial intelligence editing. Both phones have selfie cameras, with the S24 sporting a 12-megapixel shooter and the A55 a 32-megapixel one. While the A55's camera quality is yet to be fully assessed, the S24 remains a top choice for zoom photography. The Samsung Galaxy A55 seems like a great choice if you want a mid-range phone with speed, a stylish design, and good camera capabilities. It has a bigger screen and battery compared to the Galaxy S24, and it's almost half the price. However, the S24 offers better performance, a brighter screen, premium materials, wireless charging, and a zoom lens for photography. It's more expensive, but it's likely worth it in the long term. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.